saw me put these supers up late summer. We put these up with the frames and the comb that are drawn. The honey's been extracted, the bees have robbed them, I've brought them in, I've cleaned them, I've got them in boxes. What I didn't show you is two things. I know I talked about the Para Moth. It's important that you go back to these supers and check how much of the crystals have disappeared and went away during the time lapse. So in other words, these crystals go to a fume or a gas that's heavier than air and it falls. So you're protecting the boxes below. It doesn't rise, it falls. They go away. So what you should do periodically is come in and make a check. I've got Para Moth drawers between every 5. On the top, I don't have a drawer. I've got a tray that's holding the Para Moth. I've already dosed it, but what I want to show you is now I'm not down stacking to get to these supers to add the Para Moth. So what happens is that Para Moth, as you tell, it's gone. When I open a drawer, I can smell the odor waft out. But the longer you leave that minus of the Para Moth, then it starts to weaken and go the other way. You've taken it this far. Don't neglect the follow-up is all I'm saying. So you get in here and you get you something that is, you know, a metallic dispenser is even better, but so far, if you don't leave a heavy plastic spoon in this bucket, it won't eat it. But be warned, use this in a very well ventilated area. I've got the door to the shop open. This one also, this has been in these now for 3 or 4 weeks. In the winter, this goes away much slower than in the summer, so this round may last a month, maybe longer. Just, you know, you've gone to all the work and the labor as well as the bees to produce this comb, which is saving you a huge percentage in the spring during the honey flow. So it's important to have this in the spring, and in the springtime we'll go back, air these out. There'll be no chemical residue fallout from this. We'll drop them on during the start of the nectar flow. Your bees don't have to rebuild that comb. So, store your supers, take care of it, don't stack it up, dose it one time, forget about it, go back and check everything, and money in the bank.